Okay, today we are going to be learning the word family or the rhyme with E, which says E. And the song that we're singing is called The Wee Bumblebee. And wee means to be small, so it's talking about a small bumblebee. As we read the song, let's be looking with our eyes and use our ears to find that E rhyme. Here we go. One little, two little, three little bumblebees. See that wee bee buzzing round the cherry tree. Now it's heading straight for Lee's knee. Lee had better flee. All right, let's sing it again now that we know it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One little, two little, three little bumblebees. See that wee bee buzzing round the cherry tree. Now it's heading straight for Lee's knee. Lee had better flee. Let's find the E rhyme. Run. Flee exactly means to run. He better run because that bee's coming to his knee. Here we go. Let's see if we can find it. You help us with at home too. One little, two little, three little. Oh! 3 little bumblebees. I think we'll just do bees. See that we. Oh, there's so many. Okay, we've got we. Drina, remember you can't go in front. I see one more there. Do you see it at home? My girls haven't. They don't see it. Drina?
Wait, you said the children might not see.
Just use your arm. One little, two little, three little bumblebees. See that wee bee buzzing round the cherry tree. Up, I see it again. Now it's heading straight for Lee's. Lee had better flee. I see 2 in that sentence.
This was supposed to be.
Let's sing it one last time and then we're going to do some making of the words. Ready? Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One little, two little, three little bumblebees. See that wee bee buzzing round the cherry tree. Now it's heading straight for Lee's knee. Lee had better flee. Okay, so everyone at home, we are going to be making our words with our E rhyme, with E. So if you could bring those letters down. If you don't have letters, you can write these letters at the top with marker. And then you know what kind of letters we're using. So you need the B, D, T, K, F, L, R, N, W, S, and your E. So I'll give you some time to get those letters, and then we'll get started. The first letter we're going to make is the word B. Think about what letter you're going to bring down to make the word bee, like the animal, or I'm sorry, the insect that buzzes. It's a bee. Let's bring that down. Here it is. Let's bring this out. Say B-E. Bring it together. Bee. Next one is we, as in we, like small in that little rhyme that we had. That's right. Bring that W down. Let's say it. W-E. Together. We. The next word we have is tree. This one we need 2 letters to make the tr, like trip, trap, tree. Here it is. T-R-E. Let's try that. Tr-e. All together. Tree. Awesome. Our next word is knee. The bee stung his knee. That has two sounds, two letters, excuse me, but it only has one sound. It's going to look like this. Okay, let's say it. N-e. All together. Knee. The next word, flee. Flee, that means to run away, to flee. That's right, let's bring these down. Let's see the first part. Flee. All together, flee. The next word, free. Free, we had free ice cream. There it is, free. Together, free. Okay, now you have to pay attention. We're going to add a letter to the beginning, and then we'll add a letter to the ending. Here we go. Need. 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 There it is. Let's read it. Need. Need. We need many letters today. This is an easy one. See, like you see with your eyes. S. Here it is. Let's say it. S-e. See. Leave the C here. We're going to add one letter to the end to make seed. Seed. We like to plant. We might plant a seed to grow. Seed. Seed. Okay, listen to this. You're just going to change the beginning sound to make feed. Feed. All right, say it with me. Feed. Feed. Okay, listen to this. We're going to just change the ending sound to make feet. Feet. There it is. Let's say it. Eat. Feet. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to write those words down that we made. The first word was bee. And maybe you don't need to make it, but if you need to make it, go ahead or just write it. B-E. Bee. The next word we made was wee, as in little, to be little. W-E. Wee. Then we made tree. 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 Then we made knee, like our knee on our leg. This one has two letters to make the N sound. Knee. I'm going to move this down. Okay, then we made flee, which means to run. Flee. Flee. Then we made free. 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 We like to run free. Need. 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 Then we made see, like with our eyes. We can see with our eyes. See. See. Move this over. Then we added one letter to make seed. 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 Feed. 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 Last one. Feet. Eat. Feet. Look at that. We made all the rhyme for E. Let's read them and we're done for today. Here we go. Bee, wee, tree, knee. Up to the top. Flee, free, need, see, seed, feed, feet. Great job with your rhyme EE. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.